This is a hotel room tour of the Graduate Cincinnati Hotel located in Cincinnati, Ohio. When you first walk in, you see this very large closet which has very large mirrors, and inside the closet you can find an iron, an ironing board, and some hangers. This closet goes back very deep, so you will absolutely have plenty of space to put things away. Now over to the bedroom area. They have so many different posters and artwork, and there's also an additional bench over here which I used to put my luggage on. Over to this lamp, it was one of the coolest lamps I have ever seen, and a cool thing about the lamps at the Graduate Hotel is that they're made out of toys that were made locally in Ohio. There's quite a bit of dresser space available too. And then for the room cards, instead of a traditional room card, they actually give you identification cards used to scan, and they have pictures of famous people on them that are connected to the state of Ohio. And then as we go over the rest of the room, there's a fairly large television. This was the desk area, which was a bit small, but quite unique. I love that this chair is decorated with something on it, as well as they have an older style telephone. And then some of the posters and artwork that they have as well on the walls. The view out the window is of the University of Cincinnati campus, which is one of the coolest hotel room views I've had, especially I think if you have a connection to the university, you'll appreciate it even more. As we continue through the rest of the room, there's this very comfortable lounger chair, and I really do like the cool baseball side table that they have, another cool lamp, and some additional unique posters. Everything in this hotel room is definitely unique, and the most unique stuff is near the bedroom area, where again we've got these amazing lamps that are made from locally made toys. And then the nightstands have some shelving in it, so you've got additional storage. However, the outside of it, I would say, is even cooler, which has famous Ohio foods painted onto them. And then this was the bed. It was so comfortable, and that headboard was so unique. Then we have another poster, another lamp, and then this is what the alarm clock looked like, which was so unique. And then over here's the notepads that they provide in the room, which looks more like a Scantron test sheet. And then they give you a pencil as well, which kind of goes along with the whole schoolroom vibe and is practical and unique. And as we make our way back towards the door, they, instead of having a traditional do not disturb sign, they actually have these pennants that say that you're studying and please do not disturb. Next, onto the bathroom. This wallpaper was one of the most unique wallpapers I've ever seen in a hotel room. And there was a very large mirror, some counter space available, a little bit of amenities that they also provide you with. But overall, it was definitely very colorful and quite bright too. In the bathroom, there is only a shower. They do not have a tub, and the shower was quite high up. And instead of individual use amenities, they've got these built into the wall. In terms of cost, this hotel room was just under $200 per night, which made it one of the most affordable hotels in the area, and absolutely one of the most unique. Let me know in the comments if you would stay here.